Today, we're diving deep into all the ways you can contact Rocket Lawyer, ensuring you never feel lost in the legal labyrinth. Whether you're a longtime subscriber, just starting your free trial, or simply curious about their services, knowing how to connect with their support team is crucial. We'll cover everything from phone calls to emails, live chat, and even how to navigate their extensive FAQs. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at reaching Rocket Lawyer, empowering you to tackle your legal needs with confidence. Let's kick things off with the most direct approach: picking up the phone. For many, a voice at the other end of the line provides the most immediate reassurance and clarity. Rocket Lawyer understands this, and they have a dedicated customer service line. If you're in the United States, you can reach them by calling 877-881-0947. Their customer support hours are typically Monday through Friday, from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Time. It's always a good idea to double-check their official website for the most up-to-date hours, especially around holidays. But this gives you a solid window for when you can expect to connect with a representative. When you call, be prepared with your account details, if you have one, and a clear description of your issue. This will help the representative assist you more efficiently. Remember, while a phone call offers immediate interaction, you might experience hold times, especially during peak hours. Patience is a virtue here. Now, for those who prefer the speed and convenience of typing, Rocket Lawyer offers live chat support. This is a fantastic option for quick questions or when you need a written record of your conversation. To access the live chat, you'll typically find a Chat with Us or Contact Us button on their website. It's often located in the bottom right corner of the screen or within their help/support sections. The live chat feature also operates during similar business hours to their phone support, Monday through Friday. The beauty of live chat is that you can often multitask while waiting for a response, and you'll have a transcript of your conversation for future reference. It's perfect for clarifying a specific clause in a document, asking about membership benefits, or troubleshooting minor technical issues. Beyond immediate gratification, email remains a reliable method for contacting Rocket Lawyer, particularly if your query isn't urgent or requires detailed explanations or attachments. You can send an email to their customer support team. While a general support email isn't always prominently displayed, their Contact Us page usually has an email submission form or directs you to send an email. For general inquiries, support@rocketlawyer.com is a common address, though specific departments might have their own. When sending an email, be as descriptive as possible. Include your account information, the nature of your problem, any relevant document numbers, and screenshots if they help illustrate your issue. The benefit of email is that you can compose your thoughts thoroughly, and you'll receive a written response that you can refer back to at any time. While it might not be instantaneous, Rocket Lawyer aims to respond to emails within one business day, ensuring your concerns are addressed in a timely manner. But what if your question is a common one, or you prefer to find answers on your own? Rocket Lawyer has an extensive and well-organized frequently asked questions, or FAQ section. Before reaching for the phone or typing out an email, it's highly recommended to browse their FAQs. You'd be surprised how often your question has already been answered there. Their FAQs cover a vast range of topics, including trial offers, membership details, billing questions, document creation and editing, technical support, and even how to find a lawyer through their network. This self-service option is available 24/7, meaning you can get answers at any time, day or night, without waiting for business hours. It's a powerful resource that can save you a lot of time and effort. Look for a help, support, or FAQs link, typically found in the header or footer of their website. For those of you using Rocket Lawyer's mobile app, you might also find in-app support options. Many modern apps integrate chat features or direct links to their help centers, making it seamless to get assistance right from your device. Check the app settings or a dedicated help section within the application itself for these convenient contact methods. It's also worth noting that Rocket Lawyer services extend beyond just document creation. If you're looking to ask a lawyer a specific question, they offer an Ask a Lawyer service, often included with their premium memberships. While this isn't a general customer support line, it's a direct way to get legal advice from an attorney. You submit your question online, and a qualified lawyer typically responds within 1 to 2 business days. This is distinct from contacting customer support for technical issues or billing inquiries, but it's a vital contact point for legal guidance. So, to summarize, you have several reliable avenues for contacting Rocket Lawyer. Phone support, call 877-881-0947 during their business hours, Monday through Friday, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Time. For direct, verbal assistance. Live chat, access the chat feature on their website for real-time text-based support during business hours. Email support, send your detailed queries to their support team via their website's contact form or direct email for a written response within 1 business day. FAQs/Help Center. Explore their comprehensive online knowledge base for immediate answers to common questions. Available 24/7. In-app support. If you're using the mobile app, look for built-in help features. Ask a Lawyer service. For legal advice, utilize this member-exclusive service to get answers from a qualified attorney. Before initiating contact, always have your account information ready, including your email address and any relevant membership details. Clearly articulate your issue, providing as much specific information as possible. This preparation will significantly streamline the support process and help you get the answers you need faster. Rocket Lawyer aims to make legal services accessible and user-friendly, and their various contact options reflect that commitment. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions or encounter any challenges. Their support team is there to guide you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.